everyone, welcome back to Nail of the Week in my new salon. If you'd like to see what I did, then please continue watching. Welcome back, everybody. Good to see all of you. I have missed you so much. I am super excited to get back to all of my videos now, and today is Nail of the Week in my brand new salon. Super excited, you guys. I have waited for this day to happen. It has taken time. I just forgot how long it takes when you go through a move. Now, I'm not completely moved. That won't be till December, but I will be doing all of my videos here. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the home and the tour of my new salon. Isn't this great? I am so excited. I just forgot how long it takes when you go through a move. Like I said, it's been 20 years since I moved and I'm not even done yet. But I did get the 2 rooms here set up and I'm just loving it. And I still got a lot to do at the old place, but it takes time. But I'm excited to be back with all of you. I love my channel. Doing nails and everything is my passion. I love fashion. I love all of it. I love helping all of you with keto. You guys have been sending me messages that things are still going well for you. Congratulations to all of you that have stuck with the keto and are all losing weight. That's wonderful. But anyways, I am so excited to be back. And today's design, what I did is I did an October breast cancer awareness look. I don't know if you want to call it a plaid or flannel look with a pink background, and then I did the ribbon for breast cancer. So we always got to remember that, cancer, it really sucks. And we always got to continue to pray and ask God to heal the people with breast cancer, and let's not ever forget about it. It is a pretty serious thing. So I thought I would start off my first video doing that. There will be a toe design and an outfit to match. And then of course I'm getting back to all of my videos this week. So this is going to be the area I'm going to sit in when I make all of my nail videos. And then, of course, my keto videos, they will be in a different spot. But yeah, just please continue praying for me. Everything has worked out. The prayers are working. I was so scared when I first, was doing all of this because of the change. But I love it. I love it. Everybody was right. I love it so much. And I couldn't thank God enough for this opportunity and my brother for letting my husband and I come into this place. And I can't wait till I'm completely in here in December. Anyways, let's get started on today's design. I can't wait to see each and every one of you in my next video. God bless and take care. Hi everyone, welcome back to Nail of the Week. I have done a breast cancer awareness look along with plaid. If you'd like to see how I did this one, please continue watching. Hi everyone, welcome. Super excited to be doing my very first nail design in my new salon. Check out the lighting in here, isn't this beautiful? I love it. So anyways, what I've got going here is a pink and burgundy look because I am doing a breast cancer awareness design for October. The burgundy nails will be the pink ribbon and the rest are going to be a plaid look. And I will show you what I'm using in today's design. So for the pink, I'm using this Kiss Gel. I love this one from the dollar store. Absolutely wonderful polish. It's called Paradise. I love these. I've used so many different polishes in my life, and it's one of the best. And then this one also from the dollar store, Wet n Wild, is kind of a burgundy color, and it's called Grape Mines. And it is a beautiful burgundy. I love it, wine color. So those are the colors there. And then I'm going to be working with acrylic acrylic paints. So I need white and pink here just to do the ribbon. I'm going to add a little bit of white into it so it's not as bright because the neon here, if you see, it's a little bit more neon than my finger. So I'm going to add a little white in this. Plus, when you're working with neons, you want to add white in them to help with the color. Otherwise, it'll be too translucent. So you got to add the white in. And then I will use just plain white through my designs on the other nails doing the plaid. And I will also be using a red with black to make that wine color. I'll be mixing it in just to really get that beautiful wine color. And then I will also be using my liner here. It's called Silver Glitter by The Kiss. I get these from Sally's, just so it's got a fine line on it. I'm going to add a little glitter through some of the Plaid Look too. I will be using this brush here. It is the number 0. It's a liner, a nice long liner. I have actually cut this brush to make it even thinner. You get this from Hobby Lobby. And then I will top everything off with my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. So I am going to get started on some of the plaid, and I will return to show you what I'm doing. Hey everyone, all right, so now I've got the plaid look going. Isn't that cute? Definitely looks like plaid and is going to look great with my outfit of the day. So I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. So I'm starting with my long liner. I'm going to draw in for you guys. And I'm just going to start with the white. And you got to let them dry in between the colors because as you draw them on, you know, it would run. So I'm just going to set my long liner down and basically just get it anchored and then go all the way down in a straight line. Straight as you can get. It doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, this is just a plaid look. I think I said flannel, plaid, whatever, right? This one I'm going to make a little bit thicker. I like one thin white line and one thick line of the colors like that because that's what gives it that plaid look. So, and even if it rolls off the side there, don't worry about that because you can always use the pink paint that we made to fix and color that in. So then we'll go on to the next one, and I'll do this side a little bit thicker on this side and come down. I'm going to get a little bit more paint. I have watered my paint down. That is the best way to work with acrylics is to have it watered down because it slides down the, you know, the finger better, especially when they're watered down when you're doing a liner look like this. Just works, you know, the acrylic just works much better. So like that, I'll fill it in on the end here. And then I'm going to do a thin one over here. Just anchor and start going down the nail. And as you get down, it gets a little thinner. That's okay. Just come back to like the middle. And then as you're going down, you know, you start to lose paint or whatever. So just go back over it. So like that. So I'm going to let these dry right here. And I'll be back to show you the next stripes. All right, we're going to go on to the next color. As you see, I've already done the pink ribbon for the breast cancer awareness. And I will show you how I'm doing that. But I'm going to go on to the next color. I'll draw in for you. Okay. And I'm going to go on now to the burgundy I made. I'll show you my palette here. I took the, like I told you, the red and the black together, and I made a, you know, burgundy, and then the white was for my breast cancer. I had a little white in with that pink. So I'm going to take my long liner again, and I'm going to do a thin line. Oh, got to come over a little bit for you guys. Thin line, the burgundy color. And like I said, just work slow as you're going down. If you don't feel confident enough just to roll it down the finger, sometimes even I get a little bit nervous if my brush is drying out or something. I get a little nervous with it, so I will just, sometimes I'll pull it right down and sometimes I will work a little bit slower with it. So now I'm going to do a thin one over here. And remember, doing flannel, this doesn't have to be perfect. You're just doing your lines. That's all you got to do. Just going to go down like that, and we'll leave that like that. And the other one over here, I'll do a thin line here, or thicker, I mean, sorry. And just you're anchoring and then you're pulling down the finger. And then I'm going down, 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 like that. And then we're going to go in the middle here and do a thin one. And this one I'm just going to try to go all the way down and do it. And then as you're coming down, you got to fill in, like I said, with the white. I had to do the same thing. So just to color it in as it goes down to the bottom. And like that. And I think on this one, I will, yeah, I'm going to leave it just like that. So I'm going to let these dry. And I will be back to show you the breast cancer ribbon. All right, I'm back and I'm going to show you the ribbon. So I'm using a different brush. I'm using my 10/0. This is a short liner brush. And I'm going to dip into my pink and white mixture. And I'm going to turn my finger around to show you this. So all you're going to do is pretty simple. Well, some people will say it's not simple. But you're just going to start with your circle, like your donut, your half donut. So you're going to go around and just come all the way around like you're making a half, like a rainbow or something. Come around and then just come down like that, like you're gonna start making an 8. That's what you want to do. And then just fill that in there so it's nice. And then the same thing on the other side. Just bring this down now to the other side. And then what I do when I come down to the bottom here is I just kind of come out a little bit with it so it looks like the ribbon. And then I'll do the same thing on the other side. And just a little line like this, just to give it that ribbon look like that. So I am going to let these dry and I'll go on to the rest of the striping. All right, so now we're gonna finish the striping. So now I'm gonna go the opposite way with the striping now. I'm gonna take my white and we're just gonna go across now. And you just pick spots you want, wherever you think it would look, you know, like plaid. Just do it however you want. Now we're just gonna go the opposite way with the brush. And I'll do one there, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of a thicker one down here of the white. And again, it's just kind of anchoring it, and then when you pull across, then it kind of rolls with the, you can roll your finger. You can just kind of roll your finger around like that as you're doing it. Like that. So then we got the white in there, and then I'm gonna add up here, I'll do a thicker one on the second finger there. And yeah, I keep going back getting paint because I have it very thin. So, but it's the best way when you're doing something like this, when you're trying to do lines. Again, they don't have to be perfect, but just, you know, have fun with it. This is a hand painting design, so you want it to be hand painted looking, you know. If it wasn't, it would look like a sticker then. So you want this to be, you know, a painted look. So, all right, I've got one more to do here. I'm gonna add in the burgundy. A couple little, maybe just one here of the burgundy, and I'll do a thin line of the burgundy here, and see how I'm rolling my finger? That's how you wanna do it. And then down at the bottom here, I'll do a little bit of a thicker one. Like that. And then on the other finger, I will do a thicker one here. See, I'm just randomly picking how I want it, how I think it would look cute. And of course, I am matching this with an outfit of the day. And I thought what's neat too is not only am I doing a breast cancer awareness look, but I'm also doing my first fall look. So what better than a plaid flannel look, right? Definitely for the fall. And then I'm gonna do a thin one down here. And just go rounding the finger again. So the next step I have left will be the silver glitter after this dries. So I'm gonna let this dry up and then I'll be back again. All right, so now I'm on the last step, the silver. That is the liner one I'm using. And I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'll draw in for you guys. And then I'm just gonna pick a random spot to put the silver in. And this one here is so fun when you're doing the silver because it just, you can line it right next to it. You can line it away from it. However you wanna do it, the silver is probably the easiest color out of all of these to do because you can't really mess up the silver because it kind of bleeds through. You can see it and it's just cool. But it adds some sparkle to the look, and you know me, I love my sparkle and my bling. So I'm just gonna do a couple lines like that, and then I will just do a line going across like that. And I'll leave that one. We'll go on to the next one. I'm just gonna do a line through there. I'll do a thick one there. Through there. And I'm gonna leave just that one, and I'm gonna go across this way. Like that. And I'll do one at the bottom here. Like that. So that's that. I am now going to top coat everything with my Dry Fast top coat, and I'll be back to show you guys the end product. All right, I am all done, and this one turned out really cute. Of course, me being a perfectionist, I'm gonna find things wrong with it. The lines aren't completely straight and everything, and if you draw in a little closer, you'll see yellow, or not yellowing, but like orange coming through some of the white lines. That's where the burgundy and the white mixed. but it's still really cute. Such a cute idea for breast cancer awareness. Very sad that women get breast cancer, but it's good to have an awareness for that. So I wanted to do that for my first design for October, and also having that plaid look, a flannel look, whatever you want to call it, is great for the first fall look that I'm doing. I hope you guys will enjoy this. I hope you try it out in your favorite colors, and definitely do not forget about breast cancer awareness. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. I look forward to seeing all of you, and I will have a outfit and toe design to match this. Take care, everyone. God bless, and I'll see each and every one of you in my next video.